Hi there, my name is Adele. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a chart in our data visualizer. So we're going to start by going over to data visualizer and we will create a new chart. Give our chart a name, should be something descriptive that we're going to be able to remember later. And from here, we can start with one of four different chart types. We can choose from bar chart, column chart, line chart, or pie chart. And just to get started, I am going to create a column chart. And this comes preloaded with just some sample data so you can see what the bar chart looks like. But I want to add my own data here. So we're going to clear the table and import our CSV so we can add our data here. And once that file is uploaded, you can see a graph is created based on that data. And we can actually make any changes directly here. So you don't need to go back into Excel and re-import the file if one of these numbers changes. You can do that directly here. And if you have a more extensive table, you can open up the view here to give yourself a little bit more room to edit those data points. So this is a good start, but maybe later on I decide a pie chart might actually be better for this data. You can actually change the type of chart you have directly from here. So we're going to change this to a pie chart that looks much better, and we'll add some data labels here as well. There's lots of other things you can edit here. For example, your alignment on your text, really any of those stylistic changes that you want to make, you could do directly here. So this is looking really good, but now I want to apply our branding to this chart. So I'll go over to our Style tab, and from here I can apply a brand kit. So we're going to go ahead and select a different brand kit from here. We'll do brand kit 2, and you can see our colors are automatically adjusted based on the brand kit that I've selected. But you can also do some manual edits here as well. Let's say I want to change the color here. We can do that directly here. So lots of possibilities of being able to edit and adjust your chart directly in the data visualizer. So now that my chart is created, we are ready to add this to our Foleon doc. The first thing we're going to do is make the chart public. And what that does is it basically says, hey, this chart is ready, available for use by others in my workspace. So we will make it public. And once we get that confirmation, we can now add it to our docs. So we'll go back over to the dashboard and open up one of our Foleon docs. And here we can drag and drop a chart from the Elements tab directly onto our page. And we can select our chart here and add that. And you can see the chart has now been added to our page. And from here, we can adjust any settings as well for this element, like border, shadow, spacing, alignment, animation, really any of those settings about how the element is interacting on the page itself. So that is everything from creating your chart, editing it, updating it, making it public, and adding it to your page.